Can you see Bangalore here? Yes, that's where our project is getting ready to be launched. Auto rickshaws effectively are three-wheeled vehicles which ferry passengers inside cities. There are about 5 million auto rickshaws in India, and they cause huge pollution. Uh, the the sole idea of the project was to make the auto rickshaws greener in terms of lesser emission and low noise pollution. We actually did a lot of research in understanding the ecosystem of the auto rickshaw driver community, and then we understood that these drivers who earn about $2 to $3 per day don't really care about environment or pollution. What really matters to them at the end of the day is how much money he makes. That's it. That is when we realized that going to these drivers and trying to sell these technology kits that would make them greener would really not be successful. We needed to that is when we realized we need to develop a business model that addresses their problems and parallelly put in our system of addressing the environment issue. That is when we developed this business model of providing financial solution to the drivers, making sure that earning potential increases to a large extent from what it is now, addressing the social requirement, and the best part of out of all this thing is that we involve the community to be part of the whole system. So effectively, the community is involved in driving the whole change. So effectively, that's more or less what we intend to do. Yeah.
Very well. What advice do you have to young people here that are trying to bring something new?
I think one of the important aspects that I would like to add here is that to have any initiative successful, the most important thing is to involve the community that you're actually addressing. Understand the problem from the community's point of view, and get the community involved. Only then I believe any enterprise can really be successful. And secondly, try to make your project self-sustainable, such that you don't have to look for grants every year. The best way is to make the best thing about making a business self-sustainable is during bad times in the economy you're still afloat and you manage to survive. Otherwise, it's a problem.